AI and Hamster Kombat. The concept of AI engaging in hamster combat is intriguing but presents several challenges. 1. Ethical considerations. Animal welfare. The well-being of the hamsters is paramount. Any AI-driven combat would need to prioritize their safety and avoid causing unnecessary stress or harm. Public perception. Negative public reaction could tarnish the image of both AI and animal-related activities. 2. Technical difficulties. Real-time processing. An AI system would need to process vast amounts of data in real time to make decisions about the hamster's movements and actions. This requires significant computational power. Predicting behavior. Hamsters are unpredictable creatures. Their behavior can be influenced by various factors, making it challenging for an AI to accurately predict their next move. 3. Gameplay and rules. Defining combat. Establishing clear rules for hamster combat would be essential. This could involve setting boundaries, determining victory conditions, and ensuring fairness. AI strategies. The AI would need to develop strategies based on the rules and the hamster's behavior. This could include offensive tactics, defensive maneuvers, and even psychological warfare. Potential applications. Despite these challenges, the concept of AI and hamster combat could have potential applications. Educational tool. Simulating hamster combat could be used to teach AI about real-time decision-making, strategy, and predicting unpredictable behavior. Entertainment. A well-designed AI-driven hamster combat game could provide entertainment for audiences. However, it would need to be carefully crafted to avoid exploiting the animals. In conclusion, while the idea of AI engaging in hamster combat is intriguing, it presents significant ethical and technical challenges. If implemented responsibly, it could potentially offer educational and entertainment value. However, the well-being of the hamsters must always be the top priority.